Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app when it says your account needs attention. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Look for the account that shows the message needs attention. Tap on it and follow the steps on your screen. You will usually be asked to sign in again. Enter your password and complete any verification steps. This will reconnect your account. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable network. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. This helps rule out any network problems. After that, if you are using an Android phone, go to your phone settings and find battery optimization. Turn it off for the Authenticator app. This allows the app to run in the background and stay updated. Now, if you are on Android, go to the app settings and clear the app cache. If you are using an iPhone, close the app completely by swiping it away, then open it again. This refreshes the app. Once you complete all these steps, your account should work normally again. Thanks for watching.